Welcome to another episode on Learn It Yourself. Today's lesson is going to be about the different parts of speech. We are going to identify the different parts of speech in a sentence. So let's begin. Parts of speech include open classes as well as closed classes. What is an open class and a closed class? An open class is when you can add new words in the future, whereas a closed class, as the name suggests, you cannot add any new words. The open classes include the nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs, whereas the closed classes include determiners, conjunctions, prepositions, and parts of speech are divided into 8 different categories. Nouns refer to names of places, animals, things, etc. Verbs refer to an action. Adjectives refer to words that describe a noun, whereas finally adverbs refer to words that describe verbs. So this is the most shortest way we can explain about the different parts of speech that are included in the open classes. Now let's move on to the closed classes. The closed classes include determiners. Determiners are words that can define noun. They give more definition to the noun. Whereas conjunctions are words that link two different sentences. A preposition is when we are talking about the position of a noun. And finally, pronouns are words that are used to replace the nouns. So let's take a piece of text and let's see if we can identify the different parts of speech present in that text. This is the text where we are going to identify the different parts of speech. Ria goes to the park every week. So this is the first sentence in this text. So Ria is going to be the noun, and nouns belong to the open classes. Goes is a verb, it's another open class. To the park. Now to is a preposition. The is a determiner. The is a determiner because we've got the noun park that comes after the word the. Therefore, we are giving more definition to the noun part. The is a determiner. Every week. Again, we have got week to be a noun, and therefore, every is a determiner. Now, it can be referred to as a determiner as well as it can be referred to as an adjective. It will come under the distributive adjective. So, why are we referring this word to be an adjective and a determiner? The word we are describing here is week, and week is a noun. Any word that describes a noun may be referred to as an adjective, and over here we have got the word every to describe the noun week. The next sentence is she plays and has a great time with her friends. So the first word here in this second sentence is she. She is a pronoun as it is replacing the noun Ria. Plays is a verb and has a great time. So and is a conjunction. It is a word that is used to link the first part of the sentence to the rest of the sentence. Has a great time. Has is a verb. A is a determiner. Great is an adjective. And time is a noun. With her friends. With is a preposition. Her is another pronoun, and friends refer to a noun. Yesterday she played on the swing and the slide. So here yesterday is an adverb. Why is yesterday referred to as an adverb? Because it is describing the verb play. If you ask the question to the verb, when did she play? You can say yesterday. Therefore, yesterday is an adverb. Yesterday she played. She is the pronoun. Played is the verb. On the swing. On is a preposition. The is a determiner. And swing is a noun. On the swing. And is the conjunction. The slide. So the is again the determiner and slide is going to be the noun. Her mother clicked some really awesome pictures. So her is pronoun, mother is a noun, clicked is the verb, some really awesome. So here we have got the first word to be some. Some can be referred to as an adjective as well as a determiner because we are talking about the noun pictures. So in a broad sense, you can call it as a determiner and also you can refer to as an adjective. Some, really is an adverb. Awesome is an adjective. Pictures is going to be the noun. So here really is the adverb and awesome is an adjective. Really is an adverb here as it is modifying the adjective awesome, and we know that adverbs can describe verbs, it can modify other adjectives as well as other adverbs. So this is the way you identify the different parts of speech in a particular text. You can also practice identifying the different parts of speech. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my lesson.